Chocomucho versus PLDT. This is our match hype. Nothing gets more crucial than this. It's win or go home for Chocomucho as it faces PLDT in the PVL Reinforced Conference. Crucial ito para sa Chocomucho dahil sila at Farm Fresh ang naglalaban para sa last quarter-final seat. Para makapasok ang Chocomucho, kailangan nilang manalo kontra PLDT. Ang PLDT naman ay at joint third with Creamline at Cherry Tigo. Kapag PLDT ang manalo, Farm Fresh ang pasok sa quarters. Kaya naman all out na ang Chocomucho behind its import Zoe Faki and local stars Dindin Santiago Manabat at Royce Tubino. Import Elena Samoylenko will lead the way para sa PLDT. Nandyan din sina Erica Santos at Majoy Baron. Will Chocomucho make it or will PLDT improve its spot in the standings and consequently send Farm Fresh to the quarters? Abangan sa Webes, August 22 at 3 p.m. For more info, visit onesports.ph.